Hey there. So, let's chat about some recent changes happening over at Tesla. It seems like they're shifting gears a bit, and I'll break it down for you in a more friendly way. So, you know how Tesla had this big plan for a more affordable car? Well, they've decided to hit the brakes on that idea. Yep, the Model 2, as it was sometimes called, won't be hitting the roads anytime soon. Instead, Tesla's focusing on something else pretty cool: self-driving taxis. Imagine hopping into a car without a driver sounds futuristic, right? Now, this change might come as a surprise because Elon Musk, Tesla's big boss, had been talking about this affordable car for a while. But hey, plans change, and that's okay. So why the shift? Well, it seems Tesla's feeling the heat from some tough competition, especially from those Chinese electric vehicle makers like BYD. These guys are making cars priced super low, and Tesla wants to stay ahead of the game. But don't worry, Tesla isn't giving up on innovation. They're still working on those self-driving taxis, which Elon Musk thinks could be the future of transportation. Now, as for the affordable car, it's been put on hold for now. Some folks at Tesla heard about this decision in a big meeting back in February. Elon's all about going full speed ahead with these robotaxis. Sure, it's a bit of a bummer for some, but there's still a lot of exciting stuff happening at Tesla. Who knows what they'll come up with next? That's the fun part of innovation. Oh, and if you want to stay in the loop with all the latest automotive news, you can sign up for the Reuters Auto File newsletter. They've got all the scoops. That's the latest from the Tesla world. Stay tuned for more updates. Reporting by Hyunjoo Jin in San Francisco, Norihiko Shirouzu in Austin, and Ben Klayman in Detroit. Editing by Marla Dickerson and Brian Thevenot.